Most of our installations, probably 90% of them, are all completed in one day. We're organised, our guys are working with the products all day, every day. They're very good at it. And we ask that having areas clear where we're working. That doesn't mean everything has to be outside of the garage. It can be in the middle of the garage, but as long as we've got 6 feet around our working zones where we're putting up our solution. And typically, we're not always doing the whole garage. We might be doing a solution on one wall. We might be doing on 1.5 or 2 walls. So there's plenty of space to put people's things while we're working, but there aren't many jobs that we don't complete in one day, and we would rather have more people work on a job and have it all done in one day. We'll arrive at your place at 7:30 in the morning, and when you come home from work, typically people are home these days. When we started the business 20 years ago, everyone was going into the office, everyone was going to work. That's why we start at 7:30, where we would talk with the customer, just map out the plan, they're aware of it. They would head off to work, and when they came home, the new garage would be there for them. Typically now people are more often at home, but it doesn't impact us and allows us, we get on and we just do it.